Hey guys, so today I will be making another video. So today I will be making a video of the ABC Squishy tag. So I hope you guys enjoy this and let's get started. So I don't know if this counts, but A for animal bun thing or like pancakes, I don't know. Animal pancakes or animal bun, I'm not sure what it is. B for banana. C for croissant. D for donut. E for emoji bun. F for fries. So I don't have anything for G, so I will be biting a squishy for 5 seconds. I will be biting this squishy. Disgusting. H for hamburger. Or this hamburger would be more satisfying, I guess. I for ice cream. Or this ice cream. So I don't have anything for J, so I will have to put this again in my mouth. I just picked this because I don't take that one to school or anything. Okay. So I don't have anything for K either. So again, this squishy again. Ew, it's so disgusting. Next one. So I don't have anything for L either, so I will be putting this in my mouth again. Okay, M for milk or macaroon. N for narwhal. So I don't have anything for O, so I'll be doing this again. So disgusting. P for peach. So I don't have any squishy for Q either again. So I'll be putting this in my mouth. Great. It's so disgusting. So I have nothing for R either, so I have to put this in my mouth again. So S for strawberry or strawberry cake. T for tooth. So I have nothing for U, so I will have to put this in my mouth again for 5 seconds. So let's go. Again, I don't know if this counts, but I want to do it, so I'll be doing like this. V for vanilla cake. I'm literally like tired of putting squishies in my mouth. Like, yeah, so yeah. W for waffle. So I don't have any squishies for X, Y, and Z, so I'll be putting this in my mouth for 15 seconds. Okay, that was so disgusting. Now I can really taste it. Okay, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching this. A special shout out to Cynthia and Martha, like usual. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Peace! Peace! Oh my god, peace!